Hi guys, very glad to welcome you all in my second lecture. I hope you all go through the basic concepts of HTML which we have covered in our previous lecture. Henceforward, in this lecture, we are going to see how to build a HTML file and how to view it in a web browser. You can use any web browser to run a HTML document. Some of the web browsers you may use are Internet Explorer, Firefox, Google Chrome, Safari, Opera, Microsoft Edge, etc. I believe you all have better knowledge in web browsers and I'm going to use Firefox as my web browser in this lecture. The main purpose of the web browser is to read the HTML documents and to display it properly. It's up to you to choose your browser. The browser does not display the HTML tags in the document. Rather than it will uses the tags to determine how to display the content of the web page. That is, how to display the content in a browser. Yes, finally we need a proper editor to write a HTML file. To learn and write a HTML document, you just need a simple text editor. It is nothing but a notepad file. Web pages can be created and modified using many professional HTML editors which are available in marketplace, but using a simple text editor is a better and efficient way to learn HTML. I recommend you all to use a notepad to create your HTML file. Mac users, you can use TextEdit as your editor. Let us move on to the HTML file creation part. Firstly, open a notepad file and write some HTML tags in it. As we erudite before, the first declaration should be the document type declaration. Then here comes the three important tags: HTML, head and body. Don't forget to give the end tag for each start tag. Otherwise, it will end up in error. Since this is our firstly created web page, I am going to give the title as my first web page. As you know, the title should come under the head tag. We have to specify some content inside the body section so that it will display in the browser. I am going to give hello everyone, welcome to my first web page. Yes. See, here we are writing a sentence which falls under paragraph category basically. So, it should be given inside a paragraph tag, which is nothing but a P tag. If you are giving any heading for the content in body section, then you can use the heading tags that I have mentioned in my previous lecture. Save the file now as index.html. The first HTML file you have created should be named as index since this is your home page. The extension should be .html or .htm. There is no difference for both the extensions. It's up to you to use any extension while storing the file. Set the encoding to UTF-8, which is the preferred encoding for HTML files. And the last and final part is viewing your HTML file in the browser. Now go to the location where you have saved the file and double click the file you have created just now. Yes, finally we have created our first web page using HTML. So the title we have specified is in the title bar. and the web page displays the content inside the body tag. This is the final outcome. There are a lot more to go to discover HTML. With this, I end this lecture. The assignment for you for this lecture is to create a web page to display the information about the solar system using HTML5. The title of the web page should be the solar system and explain sun and each planet using appropriate heading and paragraph tags. In the next lecture, let us learn about some of the basic HTML elements which we are normally using. So, thank you guys. We'll meet you all soon in my next lecture. Bye bye. Take care.